So let us take these two steps will print the array. So at the time of the for loop, I mentioned that for each loop, we can use to access the data from the array. So this is called as a array. So this statement will give the length of the array. Length of the array stands for how many elements present in the array that will be used. So let us take. So what is the procedure? First, I want to save. I want to save because I'm not changing the class. So that's why I can save the changes. Next thing, what is that? So I'm sharing the screen. Command mode. In the command mode, how to compile that? Java. Let us take Java C. What is the file name? a.java. So then, is there any problem? I can check. So there is no problem. So now I want to run the program. For the running of the program, what is the procedure? You can type Java space. What is the file name? Capital A. So then I will get the answer. So now here what happens? Your array element. What is array element? Strings. Strings are displayed. Bhanu, Sri, Prakash, Ishwari, Satya, Madhav. Okay. Right. Next. Suppose this is the procedure to declaration of the array, and I repeat, declaration of the array and printing the array elements by using the for each loop. Okay. Next. So I want to extend that. Suppose I want to print the integer data type. So integer data array. So let us take, I want to share the screen. Yeah. Let us take. So I want to share this one. Not this one. Okay, sorry, this one. Okay. Now I want to create a one-dimensional integer array declaration. So first thing, integer. So that means the array is the integer. So this is the one dimension or two dimension that can be indicated with the help of the square bracket. And there is a name of the array that is called as a this is B. So I'm saying that C, okay, is equal to integer. Okay, new. Why? Because I am creating the new array. So new integer. Okay, you should mention what is the size of the array. What is the size of the array? So let us take, I want to put the size is the 5. Okay, let us take, this is the integer array and this is the indication of the array, square bracket. C is the array variable name and you are creating the new, and what is the data type you are storing? Integer. How many data I want to store? 5. That is called length. Let us take first C of 0. C of 0 is equal to 11. So this is the assignment to the array. Next, C of 1 is equal to 21. C of 2 is equal to 31. C of 3 is equal to 41. C of 4 is equal to 51. So I am assigning, but I want to show whether they are available in the array or not. So let us take, for this purpose, I am using the for loop. So for, okay, for what is the data type of the array? Integer. Okay, what is the data type of integer? Integer. And next one. So this is called a for integer I. Why? Because index value, semicolon. And what is the array name? It's a C. So it's a close, then system dot out dot print of I. Okay. So I am changing the program. I am changing the program. So then once I change the program or modify it, then you can, what you can do? You can do the save the program. Once you save the program, what is the next step? You should be compile. For the compiling, so I can use what is the instruction? Java C file name dot Java. There is a some system dot out print I. Okay, I can check. There is a problem. Yes, this is the system. This is a capital letter. Okay, capital letter. Save. Okay, after saving, again compiling.
Spelling wrong, sir. SYSTEM. Spelling wrong, sir. Spelling wrong. SYSTEM.
Yeah. You are right. Yeah, very good. Yes, yes. Okay, again I am saving the program. Save, then compile. In the compiling, okay, there is no error. So now I want to display the error elements. So let us take Java capital A. So that's why initially Bhanu, Sri, Prakash is available, and this is called as a 11, 21, 31, 41, 51. So I want to change some modifications. I am saying the print. Can you please find out the difference? Print I and print lni. I'm changing again. Okay, let us take. I can show you how to print different ways. SYSTEM system.out print ln of I. Okay, again save and I can compile. So Java C. Yeah, there is some problem. Why? Because here I am using the R value. So then I want to change this. Again, system. Yes, system. Save. Compile. Okay, there is some problem. Yes, I want to remove this.
Spellings are system.
Yeah. SYSTEM system. So file, save, compile, and next one Java C. Yeah, there is no problem. So again, Java space capital A. Right. So can you please observe in previous it is a horizontal, but now it is a vertical. So if you are using only the print, you can get the horizontal value. If you are using the print ln, you will get the vertical value. Okay. Now I want to copy this array to another array. So they want to, that is called as a copying the array. So that's why I want to shift this. Okay, is my notepad is visible or not? Okay, no, I can change. I can change. Yeah, is it now? So let us take, suppose if you are transfer the integer data, then the another array is also integer array. I repeat, you are transferring integer data from one array to another array. So the another array is also a integer data type, same data type. If you are transferring string, the another array is also string. So let us take, I want to say integer, and it is an array, and I am using the D is equal to, this is the variable, is equal to new, okay, new, then integer of how many data I want to transfer. Let us take, assume that I want to transfer 5 data. So that's why that 5 is already available there. Okay, that 5 variable. Just a minute now. Just a minute, please. Hey, Bano. Hello, sorry for disturbance, Nana. So integer, suppose I'm copying the C array to D array. So that's why I can use the C dot length. Why I'm saying that to declare the any array, you should mention the size. So here, what is the size? I want to transfer the C data. So that's why I'm using the C length. So this is the creation. Next, I want to transfer integer D just by using C. Integer D is equal to C. So what is the source to the array? C register. What is the destination array? D register. Just by using the integer D is equal to C. Okay. So now I want to print out. So let us take this is called as a print out. Control C. Control V. So let us take what is I want to display D. So then for integer I colon D system dot. Why? Because if it is transferred to the D, then I want to display the D values. Okay. So now save, and again compile. So I'm compiling this value, Java C, a.java. So there is some problem. What is that? Cannot be converted into integer. Okay, I can modify. Yes. So now saving and again compiling. So Java C. Yeah. Okay. Just by copying the D is an integer and C is also integer. So both are copying. So then I want to display the Java C. So right. So can you please see this? So 11, 21, 31, 41, 51 is the C array, and 11, 21, 31, 41, 51 is a D array. It is just copying from one array to another array. But actually what I'm saying, array is nothing but memory allocation, set of memory allocations. I am creating the two memories, two arrays. So that's why you should consider there are two sets of memory allocations. But while we are using this type of copying, then both variables, what is the variable C and D, are referencing to the single memory location. What about the next one? In the next one, there is a garbage value stored. So, but the two variables are assigning to the single memory location with the same index, same memory location. But you are understanding that there are two sets of memory locations are there, one for C, one for D. But if your allocation, but you are assigned the values, that is the transferring or copying the value from one array to another, but just by C is equal to D, then two variables are declared and two variables are indicating to the same memory location, the same index value, the same value. But what about the second one? Second one is not created. Second one is just creating a garbage value. So only one memory set of memory location with the two variables and names are C and D. They can show you the same reference memory location, same index value. Okay. So by just copying from one memory term by using simply C is equal to D or D is equal to C, only one set of memory location created already in the C value that can be represented with the two variables called as a C and a D, but no another memory set of memory location is not created. Okay, but I want to create both set of memory locations. For this, I can use another instruction. So please, I'm sharing this is the one. Okay, so let us take I'm sharing the program. So let us take, is my screen is visible to you, notepad? Okay, hello, right. Let us take, suppose from this point of view you can understand. Hello, Nana, please respond. Hello,
Sir.
Nana, is notepad is visible to you?
Sir.
Okay, done. So here what I'm saying is that suppose I want to copy, just take, just a minute. Okay. Yes, see. I want to copy the C array element from starting index 0 to where D array from starting index 0. Then this is called as a C dot. So that what is the meaning of that? You want to copy the C array from starting location to ending location to another array with D and starting location is 0. So that means entire data is copied from C array to D array. So that how should I understand entire? This is the C dot length. This is the C dot length. So now I can stop this value. So let us take, I can close so this is called, yeah, I want to close this D. Sorry. Right, I want to close this one. Okay. Yeah. Now, so I am creating the, let us take, so I am creating the D empty array. I want to copy the C array into D array. Enter. So what is the system? This is called the array class. In Java, there is one array class is there. So in the array class, there is one instruction is there. This is called array copy. This is called array copy. What is the syntax? What is the source register? Sorry, what is the source array from which index I want to copy? Okay, that's why this is the source array and starting index. Next is called as a destination array. In the destination array, where to copy? Okay, that is the from 0 location. So C0 location to D0, C1 to D1. So how many data I want to transfer? This is called C dot length. That means entire. Suppose if you are giving the 5, then what happens? I can transfer only the 5 data. Suppose if you are giving 6 data. You are giving the 2 data. So where to copy? You are giving the index. So at that it is going to that index and it can be copied. So that's why by this way I am creating the 2 arrays with sufficient data. Okay. So now I can check whether it is working or not. So this is called save, and I'm going to the command prompt. So Java C. Yeah. So there is no error. So that's why to print that value Java A. That's why. So now it is copied. It is copied. But what is the difference between the previous method and the present method? In previous method, 2 variables reference to single memory locations. But here, there are 2 sets of memory locations are there. There are 2 sets of memory locations are there. And they can different memory sets with different data are there. Copy data are there. Next, suppose I want to change one instruction. Of course, in the last class, I already mentioned that the addition, some operation should be performed. Okay, so, right. So this is called, I want to do some operations. I want to do some operations. So let us take, I want to create another array. Integer, okay, E is equal to, I want to create some data that is called, let us take 12, comma, 23, comma, 34, comma, 45, comma, 56, comma, 67, comma, 78. Okay, let us take. So I want to close this array. Now let us take, I want to transfer some E array data to D array data. E array data to D array data. For this, I am using this value. Control C, Control V. So let us start system.array copy. So where, what is the source array? That is E. That is E. Okay. Okay. In the E, I want to store the value from the 0 index to where? Destination register E. So I want to store from second onwards. Second index onwards. Sorry, first index onwards. Okay. How many? Who is that? Who is that? Okay. So now, how many characters I want to transfer? Suppose, let us take, I want to transfer two data. Okay. So I want to copy two data from E array. From which location? 0 and 0 onwards, 0 and 1. So two data. To where? D register. Which from, in the D register, where can I store? From first index onwards. Okay. So now I want to display the E register. So this is called as a delete for next to integer. So E, okay, integer colon, sorry, I integer E, okay, system dot out dot println of I. Yeah. Okay now. So please be see that in the C register, in the D register, what is the first element? 11, 21, 31, 41, 51. Okay. The same elements are copied into the D register. So 11, 21, 31. So now I am creating one array, that is the E. So E is equal to 12, 23, 33. So I want to copy E0. What is the E0 value? 12. And how many data I want to transfer? From E0 to 2 data. So 1 and 2. So 12 and 23 should be copied into D register. 12 and 23 should be copied into D register. So then I want to display the not E, this is called D. Yeah. So now what is the changing the D register value? That is 12, 23, and next one 31, 41, 51. I want to get expectations. Okay, so for this I want to store. Then go to command prompt. Yeah, no error. So Java space capital A. Yeah, can you see this? Can you see this? This is called 12 and 23. So 11, 12, 23. 11, 12, 23 is copied. Is copied. So before that, what happened? 11, 21, 31, 41, 51. So now it is changes to 11, 12, and 23. So I'm saying that I'm not, it is the D0. Instead of that, D1. I have mentioned that this is the D1. So this is called as a D1. So from first 0 and second element onwards, I want to change the two elements. So that's why 11 and 12 and 23. Okay. So this is a brief idea. This is a brief idea to transfer, to copy. Okay. To copy from one array to another array. Okay, right. So now I want to stop this session. And all of you, I am sending one link to you. I am sending one link to you. Okay. Don't go away. All of you, please attempt the examination. Okay, right. So first I want to stop the sharing. Don't leave. I can transfer the one link to you. Okay. Your acceptance can be accepted from 11 onwards, and your responses can be closed by 11:20. So this is called copy, send. Okay, link, short, copy. Okay. This is called 21A. Say 2. Okay, Nana. I am sharing the link. Your services should be accepted right now. All of you, please submit. Now the time is 10:59. I can close by 11:20. All of you respond, please. All of you, please attempt the examination and your acceptance should be closed by 11:20. Right. The link is sharing to your 21A group. Okay, I repeat, marks are considered and attendance should be considered. Don't lose the marks. Okay, Mr. Lokesh. Nana, can anybody respond? Or I can also transfer to the chart also. And this is called as my link. All of you please use this link and you can start examination. Each marks carries the 2 marks. Okay. Start by 11, already started. End with 11:20. Okay. After that, your response is not accepted. Okay. Please submit your responses. Okay, all the best. Okay, Brahma Reddy. Bhargav. Hello, Bhargav.
Sir.
Okay, is the link is visible to you?
Yes,
link
sir.
is already posted in the chat box and also our group. WhatsApp group. Okay, make it fast. Okay, questions are very simple. Don't to be confused. 15 questions, 20 minutes, 30 marks. Make it habitat. Okay, your acceptance will be rejected after 11:20. Okay, the question paper is open. Hello?
Sir, answer click avadale sir.
Edamma, click out to Sarika.
సార్ నాకు క్లిక్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్. నాకు క్లిక్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్ ఆన్సర్. ట్యాగ్ చేస్తే అవ్వట్లేదు. రోల్ నెంబర్ 24 సార్ సరంగి.
క్లిక్ అవడలేదు సార్ ఆన్సర్.
ఆన్సర్ క్లిక్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్.
అవుతుందమ్మా, రెస్పాన్సెస్ కూడా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేశాను.
అవుతున్నాయి సార్.
అవుతున్నాయి కదా? యా యా.
వాళ్ళకి సిగ్నల్ ప్రాబ్లం అవ్వచ్చు కదా సార్.
మేబీ అమ్మ అన్ని టెస్ట్ చేసి పెట్టానమ్మా. సో ప్లీజ్ కమ్ టు ఇన్ ద నెట్వర్క్ జోన్. Okay, one thing, the questions are in jumbling, and within the question, the options are also jumbling. So everything is jumbling. So you should write yourself.
సార్ నో సార్ క్లిక్ అవడం లేదు సార్.
Okay, let's see. Some other people are also facing the problem.
సార్ 450 నాకు క్లిక్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్ ఆన్సర్స్.
సార్ నాకు
Okay,
క్లిక్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్ 470.
Okay, let's see. So is there any other response? Somebody is responding now.
నాకు అవుతుంది సార్.
ఆ,
సార్ ఆన్సర్స్ క్లిక్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్.
Hello, if anybody not responding, you can just send a number, okay, along with the answer and post to my WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Chat. Okay,
sir.
if anybody not responding, you can write on paper. On the paper, you should write your number, your name, okay, date, exam, and next you can put the answer. So first question answer, okay, and you can give the optional. Second question answer optional, and you can post. Take a snapshot and send it to my WhatsApp group. Okay, na? If anybody not responding. Hurry up, only 12 minutes are there. Take your paper, write your registered number, comma, name and date, exam. Okay, and submit. Question number, question number along with the answer. Okay, I can provide you extra 5 minutes because some of the people are facing the problem. So I'm giving that 5 minutes extra. So the session closed by 11:25. All questions are jumbled. Same answers cannot be provided. Within the question, options are also jumbled. So no same answers for same questions. This is only depends upon your knowledge, testing your knowledge. Okay, 7 people are left. Okay, can anybody respond that whose response is positively accepted? That whose people are responding properly? Is your questions are properly responding or not?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, is it responding?
Yes, sir.
Your options are accepting. Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Nana. Okay.
Submitted, sir,
Right.
already.
All right, right. Good, 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 good. Oh, 11 responses. Very good. Well, 14, 15, 16, not all the people sending the copy to me. So those who are not responding, they can write your name, number, okay, subject and date, and along with the question with the answers. So out of 96, how many people are not, your question paper is not responding? So after 11:25, I'm not accepting any response either in the WhatsApp group or either in the question. You should submit your responses within the 11:25. After that, nobody cannot accept. No response can be accepted. Last 10 minutes. Okay, I repeat, I can accept either by WhatsApp or either by Google Form only before 11:25. After that, it will not be accepted and it will not be considered. Last 8 minutes. Last 4 minutes. Last 3 minutes. I repeat, after 11:25, the responses are not considered either by Google Form or either by WhatsApp. It should be considered only before the 11:25. Okay, last minute. Okay, for your convenience, I am extending the 5 minutes extra. Suppose if some of the options are not responded, then you should mention on the paper. You should mention all the answers on the paper with along with number and name. Okay, this is the last extension. After that, I will not extend. Please write on the white paper and send to me. If anybody, any options are not responding, name, register number, question number, and option. Don't just by post in the WhatsApp. You can write on the paper and that can be posted in the WhatsApp. Last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute. Okay, time's up. Your acceptance are stopped. Okay, thank you. So total 62.
సార్ 470 వాట్సాప్ లో సెండ్ చేశాను సార్.
అవునమ్మా, within that 11:30 I can accept. No problem.
Yes, sir.
No problem. I will give the chance to you.
479 కూడా సార్.
Okay, Namma, I can show. I can check in the WhatsApp. Okay, don't worry. Your marks
Thank
and
you, sir.
your knowledge is preserved. Don't worry. But you should be attended to the class enough. Okay, time is over. Then I want all of you please leave.